Hi, my name is Marshall Smithman. I'm going to be doing a lab. I've got my test tube holders with the test tubes. They're crayons and styrofoam. I've got the Bunsen burner, which is a candle. My striker, which is a lighter. My pin, which is my loop that I'm going to do the cultures with. This is my Petri dish. This is the bottom with the auger on it. This is the lid. We're going to have it upside down. And I believe that is everything. So we're now going to take our pin. We're going to write our name on the bottom of your Petri dish. We've got our name on there, Marshall. I'm gonna put it back down, put our pin on. Now we're going to light the Bunsen burner with our striker and our burner. I'm just gonna light it. Now it's lit. We're gonna pick up our inoculating loop. We're gonna sterilize it. Now we're going to take our test tube over here. We're going to pick it up with our left hand. We're going to use our right pinky to take the lid off. We're going to sterilize the top of the tube of the Bunsen burner. We're going to take our loop that we've sterilized, put it into the tube, get our culture out, start around, get it on there pretty good. Sterilize the top of the tube again, put the lid back on, put the test tube back down in our holder. We can slide this out of the way. Now we've got our culture on here. We're going to pick up our Petri dish with our name on it. We got our 4 quadrants. We're going to take it and cool off the loop. We're going to take this, go through quadrant 1. Gonna streak just a little bit and get it pretty streaky in there just a few times. And we're going to put this back down, sterilize, pick it back up. We're going to start where we left off at, right here in this corner. Take it down into the next one. And just a couple more streaks. And then we're going to put this back down, cool it off, or sterilize it, warm it up. Pick this back up, cool it off. Start from where we left off again, take even less. So we've got where we started, second into the third, and we've got the most, less. We're gonna put this back down, sterilize it, pick this back up, go right from quadrant 3 into quadrant 4, and we're gonna streak, but we're gonna have very little marks. Now we're gonna put this back down, sterilize, put this back down. Now we're going to turn our Bunsen burner off down here. Just flick it off, move it out of the way. We're going to pick up our Petri dish, and this is what we're left with. We've got quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can see that it gets less and less as it goes. Quadrant 3 and 4, you should be seeing more isolated cells and structures, and you should be able to tell what you're looking at, if it's positive or negative.